Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Shein access failed. To know how to fix or how to solve Shein access failed, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click here. Not here, we go to Shein app. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear detail because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.